Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arcus Studio by Vandana. Today I am sharing a quick and easy crochet card holder using only double crochet and single crochet stitches. You can use any yarn and hook suitable for it. Cover size should be 8 centimeters by 10 centimeters approximately, which can hold visiting cards. For this project, I have used cotton 4-ply yarn and 3.5 hook and stitch markers, 2 pieces and a pair of scissors. Let's start crochet with a perfect slip knot and continue working 21 chains as foundation chain for card holder. Skip 2 chains and insert your hook in the third chain from the hook to make first double crochet stitch. Continue making double crochet in each stitch across. You will add stitch marker in the 2 chains as it will be counted as first double crochet, and at the last double crochet stitch 2. You will have 20 double crochet in this first row. At the end of row 1, chain 2 and turn your work for the next row. Use stitch marker in the first and last double crochet. Remember, the first 2 chains count as one double crochet. At the end of the row, make 2 chains. This is your turning chain. Turn your work and start double crochet in the first stitch. Repeat the same steps for the next rows. Make double crochet in each stitch across. Chain 2 and turn after every row until you complete total 12 rows and you get a neat rectangle piece. Row 13. Follow the text on the screen. Row 13. Chain 2. 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches. 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat 2 times. Skip 2 stitches. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Make 3 double crochet in the next stitch, in the same stitch. Repeat 2 times. Skip 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. Fold the rectangle into a card holder shape, just like this. Attach yarn at one end of the fold and start joining using single crochets as you go. Use one size small hook for edging. Attach yarn at one end of the fold and start joining using single crochets as you go. While joining two sides together for edging, when you reach a corner as shown here, make 3 crochet, single crochet in the same stitch. Continue 9 single crochet on the open side as shown here. As you reach the center, make 53 chains to make a string. At the end of the 53 chains, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Add 3 chains and slip stitch at the same stitch at the bottom. Your leaf shaped decorative tie end is ready. Now come back along the chain using slip stitches until you reach the card holder again. Continue single crochet along the border to complete edging. Continue 9 single crochet on the open side as shown here. When you join both the sides, again make 3 single crochet in one stitch for the corner. And continue joining other side of the card holder using single crochet. Now join the yarn and begin edging the textured row using single crochet. For the final finishing, cut the yarn, weave in all the loose ends properly for a clean and perfect look. Your crochet card holder is now ready to use. It's perfect for visiting cards, gift cards, handmade gifting, and beginner friendly crochet project. I hope you enjoyed making this easy crochet card holder with me. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner friendly crochet projects. If you make this card holder, I would love to see your creations. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting from Arcus Studio by Vandana.